So if you've not subscribed and you're new to this channel, subscribe, like and share. And now let's get started. Starting with our USD Swiss franc from the day. Start with our daily time frame. You can see it's full trend. We are starting to go up, and now our price is at least ranging within this area here, which is about, I'll call it our our support level here and our resistance level. So we can see that our USD went up and it came down to hit this our support level area. It went up to hit our resistance and it came down to our support level area, and it pushes up but did not hit our huge resistance area up there, but it came down to this our support area and it gave us a bullish move, right? And but guess what, our price has actually come here again to tap this our support area. What are we waiting for again? We're very much likely to get a bullish move upward, at least to this level where our price fell to. So if we are to see that bullish move up there, that should be giving about 116 pips upward, at least to that our to this our level, which is about 0.96520. So if we can see our USD Swiss franc pushes up to that level and it drops, then fine, would be able to grab a lot of pips when it was going bullish, and if that is exactly what we're very much likely to get. But as we can see now, our USD Swiss franc is actually, on a downward trend. If you are to sit on 4-hour time frame, we can see the impulse move, a correction, impulse move, and we are having a correction. We're very much likely to see that impulse move down to this liquidity area, which is about 0.94702. So watch out for it. We very much likely see a huge drop again on our USD Swiss franc to 0.94705. So watch out for it. We're very much likely to see a drop there before we start going bullish, as we are aiming for on our USD Swiss franc. Now let's see it on our this is our 4-hour time frame. Now let's see it again on let's see it that if we are to take this trade upward, if you want to buy this, one thing I always suggest is that you should go on 30-minute time frame. When you see multiple break of structure upward, then it is a good opportunity to actually take our buy. You can see impulse move, a correction, impulse move, a correction. If our price can give us that impulse move, breaking this our previous higher highs, then I would advise you take your buy position. Our USD Swiss franc is now going bullish. But if it fails to come to break above this our previous higher highs, then very much likely we would see our USD Swiss franc drop to that our liquidity area we have once we just talked about, very much likely to drop below. But I don't think it will happen, but it might very much likely happen, but I don't think it will happen. As we can see on our USD index, on our 4-hour time frame, our price drops here, it bounces up, it has dropped to this our level again, which is our, like call it, support, and we would want to see a bounce up again. So once we see that bounce up on our USD index, then we should be able to see it happen on our USD Swiss franc. So watch out for it. If our price on our 30 minutes breaks our previous highs here, this highs, which is about 0.95462, if it can break above it, then very much likely we are now on an uptrend on our USD Swiss franc.